What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button if you have not already done so. Today, let's look at updating installed apps on your Windows PC with the Winget command. You can actually upgrade all of your apps recognized by the Microsoft Application Installer with one single command. To get started, let's open PowerShell as administrator and run this command, winget upgrade, to get a list of software. Note the ID column. Let's say we want to install a single application with Winget. Let's install 7-Zip, an open source zip compression app. We'll run this command. And if we wanted to uninstall 7-Zip, let's run this command. Let's say we wanted to upgrade an individual application in the list. Let's run this command for RevoUninstaller. And if we are now ready to update all apps in the list, let's run this command. This process will take some time depending on the number of applications. Any errors will need to be reviewed and addressed independently. Issues could be related to licensing, subscription models, large version jumps, prerequisites, or simply need to be upgraded manually. The Winget upgrade all apps command has completed. All commands used in this video will be made available in the description. Thank you for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if these commands were helpful for Winget, and we'll see you in the next video. Let's ninja fix it.